Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Sybil. I'm here to share with you a quick video. I've done some online shopping. I have two more orders coming in, one from Honeybee Stamps. They had a really great sale over Memorial Day weekend. And then I have another order from scrapbook.com. It's just a small order, but that's coming in. And then I have some new watercolor pencils coming in. Well, they're not necessarily watercolor, but they work with water. Anyway, I'll share more about those when they come in. I've ordered those from Amazon. Those won't come in until the first week of June, so next week. Yay! I did want to tell you guys that my husband, he's in Texas. He did really well in his first course that was in Oklahoma, and he was really thrilled that in that class the teacher and the school did major social distancing, so that was really great. The one in Texas, not so much, so he's brought his own hand sanitizer into class each day, and then he makes sure that he wears his mask, and he's also moved his desk away from all the other students. He just wants to be very careful because that virus is still out there. And then he'll be heading home Friday evening, so he'll probably be here, I'm thinking Sunday night or Monday morning. So thank you all so much for praying. I hope that you continue to pray that he has a safe trip back home and stays healthy. So I've done some online shopping. I will share with you first these Magnolia stamps. I love Magnolia Tilda stamps and the Edwin stamps. They're some of my favorite stamps. I purchased these from the Rubber Buggy. And the one thing about Magnolia stamps is oftentimes on the package it doesn't have the name or the stamp, a picture of the stamp. So what I will do is I just take some regular cardstock and I ink up the image, the stamp, and then I have it there and I put it in the front of the package and then I write the name. So this one is Tilda with mini hearts. This one is A Touch of Love. Raising the Ceiling Tilda. Jeans Tilda. I love that one because I live in my jeans. And then this is Tilda in Water Puddles, and I got the biggest kick out of her because, you know, her hair is just all flat, but she's got her rubber boots on. So I already colored her last night. I still have a few more things to do to the image to finish it up, but yeah, I'm gonna make a card with her. And then I went over to Pink Fresh Studios, and I wanted these dies when they came out, but they sold out pretty quickly. So I signed up to get an email when they were restocked. So as soon as that email came in, I jumped over there and I purchased them. This is Essential Slim Cuts, Slim Ornate Banner. So you get the 3 dies there. This one would make a great bookmark, I think. And then when I saw this one, an idea popped into my head. Well, a couple of them. You could cut it in half and make it like a jean pocket. Just add some white dots there with a white gel pen. Or you could fold it in half and then adhere all the sides together and then make a little slit. And that you could put a little gift certificate in there. I thought that would be good too. So real versatile die set there. And then I got this one. It is the Slim Edgers. And there they are. This one is versatile as well, not only for your slimline cards, but I was thinking of scrapbook layouts. You know, you could use these, cut out 4 of them to border a large picture on a scrapbook layout. You could layer the different ones together and make like a waterfall effect, coming down different colors like this, you know, underneath of a picture. So again, a real versatile set. And then if you've watched my craft room video, if not, I will try and remember to put a link at the end of this video But I have a painting of a large peony in soft pinks and in bright pinks, like fuchsia pinks. It's really pretty. It's on a canvas, and next to that print or that painting, I have two words that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, hello and love. And that's something that I say is hello, love. So I've been looking for napkins or decoupage paper, rice paper, looking for the right one that wouldn't clash or compete with the peony and the bright colors. So I found these. These are perfect, and I will probably decoupage the word hello with this. So it's a soft colored peony. It's still pink. It's in the same, color family, but much more muted than the painting. So that's going to be really neat. And then I think I'm still debating, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to paint the word love in a soft pink color. So I have a couple of cards I want to share with you. And before I do that, I do want to say that I have an anniversary, my 40th wedding anniversary giveaway going on right now. I shared the video 2 days ago, and excuse me, different ones have told me that they were going to participate, and I hope that you guys will. It's for people that are 18 years old or older, and of course you need to be a subscriber to my channel. There are two prizes. One is for everyone, international included, and then the other one is for US because shipping is involved. I'm going to put the link to that video down in the description box, as well as at the end of this video. It's only a little over 6 minutes long, and it's a really easy giveaway. You don't need to send me anything, and I'm giving you two options. I just ask that you make an anniversary card, one that, a new one, not one that you've made previously, but make an anniversary card, and you can share it in a video here on YouTube. And then in that video, my giveaway video, I tell you how to title your video. Or if you don't make videos, you can have the option of sharing your card on Instagram and tagging me there as well. So I hope you'll watch that video and support my channel and participate. I think the prizes are nice, and I really appreciate those of you that watch my videos and support my channel. It means the world to me. I try to do that with other channels, support and be there for you guys and leave comments. And then also, I really try my best to support the smaller channels. I feel like I have a small channel, and I just, think it's great when crafters support crafters and women support women. Okay, so I've got two little cards here that I want to share. So this card is with that candy bean image that I shared in a video last week and just the other day, because I gave the candy bean stamp away, and I shared that I had colored it, so I made a little card with that. I put it on some peach paper and added some pretty pink posh sequins, added the word hello, and it's dimensional there, and it has gold on the top. I've already wrote the note to the recipient, but I don't think my camera will pick up there. There's shimmer from my Wink of Stella pen on the balloons, and then I stamped the back. And then I have this cute card, and this is from Candy Bean Wild Thing. It's such a cute stamp, and I colored her in a cute little giraffe. Again, added some cardstock in the back of the image, blue to go with the little blue dress and the ribbons. Added some little blue sequins, and then some striped paper that matches the giraffe. And then handmade by Sybil B. So if you would like to win this stamp, all you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and it is only open to my US subscribers. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.